Hey everybody, it's Rhonda, and in this video I'm going to show you how I take a really popular design like we're looking at right now, this silly goose for summer, and we are going to remix this into a Father's Day design. Okay, we're taking something that we know is popular and is working, and that's the geese. The four lined up geese in a row, and we're just going to remix this into something completely different to make it our own without starting from scratch. All right. So all I'm going to do is copy this image, copy this whole listing image right here. And I'm going to take it over here to my render studio, and I'm going to come into my remix studio over here on the left. Okay. And render studio is a newer platform. I just launched this about a week and a half ago, and you can do everything in here. Okay. You can image generate, video generate. There's a design canvas. There's a ton of tools in here for those of you who create and sell digital products. So if you have a second, check it out. There's a free trial, and there's also a coupon below for a discount on your first month or first year. Okay. So I'm just going to paste that image that I just grabbed. I'm going to paste that in right there. The whole thing, the screenshot, we don't have to change anything. And I have the remove mockup background turned on. And I'm going to tell this to remix this into a Father's Day design, Father's Day theme. And then I am going to make sure I turn on the replace text, because we want to make sure it changes the text from just a silly goose summer to something more appropriate for Father's Day. All right. And I'm going to leave that blank. I'm going to let it come up with its own phrase. If you had a specific phrase you want to use, you could enter that here. And then I'm just going to hit remix. And this will take just a few minutes till the system generates. First, it has to analyze the image and get all the information from it, and then it has to generate it. So it does take a minute or two, but it is well worth the wait. So we'll give it just a second. Alrighty, so here is our new image, just a silly goose dad. And we've got the geese with the dad kind of things, the fishing pole, newspaper, grilling, the beer. So that is a super cute design. So from here, all you have to do is go to your background remover. You can get that from the tool switcher right up here at the top. And then from your history, you grab that silly goose. Right there it is. You don't have to download it and re-upload it. So we're going to send this to the background remover and remove the background on it. And just that quick, our background has been removed and it looks fantastic. And from there, I'll take it to my image upscaler. And again, we just have to click our image button up here in the upper right. We don't have to download this and re-upload. Now we are here at the image upscaler, and this is going to upscale it. And I always make my images 5,000 by 5,000. I figure that is a very good size because it's large enough that people can use it for t-shirts and things like that. And if they want it smaller, they can always size it smaller. It's easier to downsize something than it is to upsize something once you've bought a file. So I like to make sure that my files are large enough that they can use them for just about anything. So I have a toggle in here that asks if you want to resize it to 5,000 by 5,000, and I'm going to turn that on. And it will also do a compression of the PNG for you if you want. And this is basically about 4 tools in one. It upscales, it converts to 300 DPI, it will resize, and it will compress the PNG file. And it also retains the transparency. I know there's some upscalers out there that when you give it a transparent background, it puts the background back when it upscales. But I've made sure ours doesn't. So I am just going to hit upscale now, and we'll give it a minute. It does take a second or two to upscale. Alrighty, so this is all upscaled for us. and it compressed it. It was 9, it's 8.1. It compressed about 10%. And here is the image all upscaled. From here, all you have to do now is download your image because this is your finished design. It's ready to go. It is the right size, the right DPI, everything. So I am going to create a folder for this, and I'm going to call Father's Day Geese, and I'm going to save it in here just like that. And from there, I will come up here to my tool switcher and I will go to my mockup generator. And so you can do everything right inside of Rhonda Studio. We can remix those designs, those popular designs. And I am going to select the templates that I want to use. I'm going to put it on, I'm going to select multiple. I'm going to put it on a khaki, an ivory, and let's say a dark colored shirt. And you just select the images that you want to use for your mockup. You can use the ones we have in here, or you can upload your own mockups as well. So if I wanted to put it on a tote bag or a mug, in fact, let's put it on the mug too. And once you've selected all the mockup templates you want to use, you just scroll down here where it says your design. And again, we can just grab this right from our history, click send, and then generate mockups. And just that quickly, we have 4 mockups generated for us. There's our first shirt, second shirt, third shirt, and our mug. All right. And just that quickly, we have gone from looking at a best-selling design. It's in 20 cards. So we know this kind of design is selling. We took that and we completely remixed it into something new and made it our own for a different holiday, for a different season, whatever you want to do. You could take this and convert it to, you know, Mother's Day. We did the Father's Day. You could do it for 4th of July. You could do it for back to school, for end of school, for Halloween. There's just so many ways you can remix a design and turn it into something completely new for a different season, a different holiday that maybe someone hasn't done yet. All right. So I just wanted to show you how quick it is to do that. You know, we don't always have to start from scratch. We don't always have to reinvent the wheel. You look for what is already working and you change it up to be yours. So I'm going to just come back here. And again, you know, just in a few minutes, we were able to take that summer silly goose and turn it into a Father's Day design. All right. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I appreciate you watching as always. Make sure you take a second to like and subscribe. I am leaving a link for Render Studio down in the comments and a coupon code for you as well. And I will see you guys in the next video.